we go towards our 14 different news. After the news,
hello guys, what's up? This is the Burundian traveler. In case you are new, please subscribe guys, comment guys, share. I would appreciate it, man. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, share guys, just to show strong love to me guys. We are in Zambia. Here they say I forgot even how they say nakulandilako Mzambia, nakulandilani Mzambia, nakulandilani Mzambia. And guys, we are somewhere in a beautiful place like this. I hope you can see the beautiful village, eh? And I'm not alone actually, I'm with my friends right here.
What's up guys? Traveltainment here. We are at the Kabwata Cultural Village.
Yes, Kabwata Cultural Village right here. And I'm with my brother here.
Yes guys, this is Claude here, coming live and clear from Kabwata Cultural Village.
Yeah.
Very amazing.
As always, since the time we entered here in Zambia, is a full of enjoyment right here.
Yeah.
To be with this guy right here.
We have really enjoyed it because these guys are just so amazing.
And look at this. How are you? Oh, yeah. They need no problem when I'm shooting a video.
I'm shooting.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys, you see.
Oh, you. Yeah.
This is their art, man, right here. Yeah, very special. I think this one is like beard, right?
Yeah.
And they are making the gadget right there. The guy was saying like these people need to see themselves in.
It's okay. We'll show this one. Don't worry.
I don't know.
Oh, but they don't mind.
Oh.
Because we have already spoken to them.
Okay. Guys, you see, they are making the arts just right there, actually. And my bro here, he's surprised like he is seeing your grandpa.
I'm seeing my grandpa.
Yeah, guys, see. Okay. Hello, how are you?
Okay.
How are you? Okay, I'm good.
check what we have.
Thank you.
It's free to look.
Guys, we are at Kabwata village. Is Kabwata?
Kabwata Cultural Village, yes.
Yeah.
In fact, oh, this is ashtray. Imagine, even me, I failed it. I even failed it to.
Nice sugar.
Yeah. At home, that is where you put your neck chains, your earrings, isn't it?
Yeah.
This
the
one.
jewelry box.
Jewelry box. This one.
Guys, once you visit here in Zambia, why you can't ask about Kabwata village over here?
And because in Zambia we have got a lot of wildlife, so that's why they make this one, because we have got elephants, we have got the big five, and the big one is there.
Wow. You see the big one, huh?
Yeah.
And King of Jungle.
King of
Guys,
Jungle.
they have a really nice art. I think the arts I got here in Zambia is totally different with the more countries in Africa.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
See guys, this one over here. Wow. This one, maybe you can put your...
Okay. Yes, you can put your fruits maybe.
Oh.
Your fruits and
And
water.
they are
Put it
really just in nature.
natural.
Wow.
Natural tree, yeah.
Guys, welcome to Zambia, man.
Yeah. So if you're in Lusaka, this is the best place, guys. Here you can put your nuts, like maybe ground nuts.
Oh.
You know, sweets. Yeah. Then you know, when you are seated, maybe you are watching TV. Then you go and eat from there.
Guys, when you visit to Zambia, don't forget there is something like this way. Hey. Wow. Oh my goodness.
This one is there was the beautiful art. Yeah. So this is the same one. Wow.
Zambia.
What is this one?
It's a
Hey.
bottle opener.
It's
How?
open.
Open how?
Oh, down.
Oh.
Okay, so you use this one now. You can open like the drinks we are from drinking. Then you just.
So the drink, it's open another drink.
Yes. Wow. I like the idea. I didn't even.
Yeah.
I'm seeing this one for the first time.
Guys, if you come to Zambia and to Kabwata area, kindly come support them here.
Come and support
They have
these
such amazing things. Huh?
amazing people. They have allowed us to film. So see, we are helping you when you come to Zambia. Just come to Kabwata village.
And actually, for sure, maybe I saw more arts different place, but the arts I'm seeing here
You saw here, it
is
is
a total
different.
different. They have their own one.
Do you know that I'm also Zambian? I'm surprised I've never seen this
Yeah,
one.
you
But
think,
I've
yeah,
been
like this
here.
one.
Yes.
Imagine this art.
It's a bottle open.
Yeah, it's for brave people, man.
Uh-huh.
Guys, you can see. And not only this place, actually, this Kabwata village, you have different things right here. Yeah. Also, this is a game, right?
Yeah, it's a game.
Amazing game, man.
Oh, Nija yote taswai. Then waponya. You know that game? Aha. Aha.
You are from where?
This one is from Burundi. This one is from Kenya.
Oh, you are from Kenya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which part of Kenya?
Mara area.
Mara, Masai Mara. Oh, because so I can't forget the name. Why? Because it's near Masai Mara.
Near Masai Mara,
for sure.
near Mara in Tanzania.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct.
and guys, we have more people who are watching the videos because we do videos on YouTube.
Like for me, nasikia Swahili kidogo.
Oh,
Kidogo kidogo. Yeah, kidogo.
Have you noticed that there are a lot of Zambians
yeah,
who know at least
not Swahili, yeah.
Remember, I was telling you the same thing to say, even me.
Unajua kidogo
Yeah, you
kidogo.
try.
Eh, kidogo kidogo.
Unajua kama salamu, mambo vipi,
Habari.
poa, habari, kwa salama. Hivyo ni vizuri.
And then for me, my hometown is near to Tanzania.
Oh.
So
You are
Okay,
in
that why,
Nakonde.
that why.
Or you come from Nakonde area.
from Nakonde.
That's why Nakonde people, they speak Swahili like they are from the other side. That's why
we are
at the
brothers.
border they
We are
just
brothers.
if you want to go to across there, they don't even use a passport.
Just
We have a
Even us,
a bike.
Imagine.
Oh.
Yes,
me
they
when
just cross.
Even me
No
when I'm crossing
passport.
to Tanzania,
Yeah.
no passport.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I said you can put
They can go
water
there in the morning,
and
you come
go
back
buy
in the
flour in
afternoon.
Tanzania and come cook.
Aha. Same thing with these guys. I've remembered their town. You see, the town, the one I was telling you that next this month and where I'm going to pick that car.
Yeah.
So when I pick a car, that is the road we use.
Okay.
So I'll go by air, but coming, I will use that road.
That is my hometown.
Oh wow,
Nakonde,
very nice.
Very nice.
Asante ka.
Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for letting us show people how.
Ah, say-
But
say
what can you tell
Zikomo.
the people who
Okay, when
Who
people
will
are coming
visit
here, we
here,
say,
like-
what did you call this house? I was seeing there like
because
five.
more people watching this maybe from
Like
different
what?
Well, how do you describe kuti vantu vakabwera musheuta yaso?
There's shop numbers.
Okay, this is shop number
This
what?
is shop number 8.
Shop number 8 at Kabwata
Yes.
Cultural Village.
Okay.
Okay, mama.
shop number 8.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Kabwata
Zikomo.
Zikomo.
Okay,
Good, you are doing
guys,
well.
guys, she's such amazing, and it's shop number 8.
Yes.
Yeah,
Kabwata
when you are
Cultural
visit
Village.
here, man, do that for her because she's such an amazing person, right?
Yes.
And we have different things, even right here you can
Here
see.
again, they are totally different from where we are coming
Yeah,
from.
everyone maybe have his own art.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
No, in fact,
It's like the same community, but
Oh,
different
they are
here.
displaying
Hello.
different. Yeah.
stuff.
wow.
Where is
Guys,
that man we
you
spoke
can
to,
see,
the one we struggled so much?
guys, you
That
can
is
see
only
this.
to see him.
See this
That one
box.
is the one
It's very nice, huh? Is this box?
Yeah. Yes, those are bags like this one.
Wow, guys. Hey. See over here. Actually, they have more. Wow, there is more things right here. Eh?
To be shown, yeah.
Let us look this one, guys.
Have you seen this? This, who was asking that day about the mask?
Oh, this is mask actually.
Yes, the one you
Oh,
The masks.
yes, the mask, the one
Amen.
the one when you put there and then you do the dance.
Yeah. Oh, that one they use for cultural dance. Like,
Yes. This is the
you
one.
said that there is some.
These people make this.
I'm telling you, lazy.
Africa.
Trying to look, showing like he's drinking water, the giraffe.
Africa.
Juice, you want us to go into that one?
Oh, the giraffes are drinking water such way.
Yes.
Let's see.
Good. It's a decoration, but this one
It
then
has very
under there is the where this one is found under. There is the
Marble.
There is the real precious stone like whatever when you dig.
Diamond.
Yeah, something like that, or amethyst or what. They're using a traditional.
Dancing maybe. Also maybe they wear this one maybe on the red.
Yes. Then you know it also.
Oh.
They wear
Guys.
Yes, then when they are dancing, they are doing this.
Eh.
It's doing kitchen. Okay.
Wow. So they put on the leg, right?
Inyo mangira kudini uko olupeni. Bikish ni okay, ini nyachitundu bwanji. Oh yeah, Karubale na Bangoni okuyaya orobachewa. Okay.
I think Ibachewa also is a tribe which is in Malawi, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Correct. Chewazi and Malawi and Zambia, they speak the same language.
Oh, so guys, are you on? Do you have a border with Malawi?
Exactly. From here we have a border. The same road which you guys from the airport. When you go straight, it goes to Malawi.
Oh wow. Okay.
So do you know that there are also people they even cross also.
The same as my place.
The same like your place, that is how it is. That's why even our language, a Zambian can enter Malawi and be speaking the Zambian language.
You can tell people who wanna maybe come to
buy
Zambia,
maybe
to
because
buy, maybe you can promote actually by sharing with you through lens for people who wanna come visitors.
So mnina mau yapo anyiva kwa nipende bazapeza pa. What are they going to find?
Yeah.
My customers.
They're going to find different art.
Like what kind of art do you promote?
Actually, we have been small drums.
yeah, small drums, guys.
Okay.
See there?
Okay.
Drums.
Okay.
Wow, very nice.
Oh.
Okay.
So nice. They're so great actually.
You guys, do you know this type of stew? Do you have this type of stew in the
very
village?
true. Guys,
These are from special stores from the village.
From the village. Guys, see?
when you are cooking ugari,
From Zambia.
Yes, this is where. So there's one part of Zambia. So that's why they make this kind of stew to sit on in the village. So this is the skin of like a cow.
Yeah.
So when you, instead of eating cow, I mean, when you remove the skin, so they use it to now make a stew. So when you are chatting before you sleep, so when you sit down, this is where this one. Oh, and then this is a typical stew again.
Yeah.
Do you have this one in your village?
My village, I have-
very nice.
Yes. Where they just cut a tree and make a
we
stew.
make it different actually.
Even here they make different designs. Some will have 4 of these,
Yeah, or
3. Even this one, if you look at this one, again there's a style.
Wow.
Some they will make it tripod, 1,
Yeah.
2,
3.
and 3 only.
Yeah, even my,
And sometimes there will not be a base.
yeah.
Oh.
No
But
base.
here they like to put it double.
Yeah.
So if it is like this, sometimes you may not know where to sit. So you
Okay.
can imagine the way which went on making this.
This is a strong art actually.
It's a very good art actually.
And I'm sure you know those.
Yeah.
Those
Pounding mortar.
Yeah.
like when you went to the museum, you remember we saw that one showing
we
2
saw
people.
it, guys. We saw.
Two
yeah.
people were
Yeah,
like
was grinding, maybe.
grinding.
Yeah.
So they are pounding that one.
Okay.
Okay, so much pretty. When you want to
Just massive.
Okay, basi masiku. Bosi masiku. Itumeza hulu. Shangwe.
Kutoka wapi?
Burundi.
Mimi natoka Kenya.
Huyu Kenya.
Unajua Kiswahili?
Oh,
Okay. No, you are
So,
trying. You are trying. You are trying.
We are all one in Africa.
yeah, we are
Have
all
you
one,
heard?
brother. Yeah.
Have you noticed?
What I like a lot,
everyone is talking unit that we are all one.
We are all one.
I'm happy a lot for Zambians. Actually.
For sure.
They are very
Yes,
nice. Huh?
we are just. We are
You
just
guys,
some
all
people.
of them understand like we are one.
Imagine.
Yeah, I
But
wish
some
one day-
countries
yeah, I
will get
wish
some.
one day we can have that language that we communicate together, like that's Swahili.
Yes.
Swahili now is
imagine.
around the 7 countries. Yes,
Yeah.
in East Africa community.
If we understand
I'm a
Swahili,
Burundian,
understand
but I can
Swahili,
speak
understand
Swahili.
Yeah.
it's good now it should be.
Don't you know that in South Africa there is a debate now that we should introduce Swahili as the national language?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it started in Tanzania, it's local language right
Yeah.
there, but now it is anywhere.
Yeah.
In Burundi, we learn Swahili, Uganda,
Yeah.
and Tanzania.
Swahili is supposed to be international.
Yeah,
International language.
it's must.
You are right.
It's must.
Sure.
So
Okay.
it can ease us to speak each and everyone.
Yeah, it's true. It's the language which everyone can speak our own.
Mimi
Not
nasema
ya
asante
mzungu.
kaka, sababu kazi iko nzuri naona. Kazi iko bien. Kazi means your work is very good.
Yeah.
So asante, bien. Asante means ziko.
I think asante mwizi wanoizio.
Ziko.
Okay, boss Masiku.
Okay, Ziko, man.
Au revoir.
Okay. Okay, guys, it was really amazing.
To go at least one or two places. I guess.
Okay, we finally finished this. You can see this is a really typical village over here.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah. Actually, we can say that maybe it's a village in the city, right?
Yeah. This one is a typical village inside the
You
city.
guys, we just go like, you see this? You can't believe that it's just the art.
It's
See
just
this
art.
one?
There is real talent.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
like this one.
Yeah. Do you use this one in your village?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah, but this one is more than
Yes, because
it's
we
more,
have made
it's more than art. You see this one?
it.
Oh my god.
The one you can use to take your gari or what?
Ready? What is the name of the place?
Kabwata Culture Village.
Guys, welcome Kabwata Culture Village.
Culture
actually.
Village.
And this one is
This one you wear here. It is where by the people of Zambia and Malawi they put it on a head.
oh.
So it's a cow, not even a cow skin.
Oh.
You can put leopard skin or lion skin.
Okay.
So here they don't just use like cow skin, no, they use animal skin. It shows a skill.
Oh.
And this
Guys,
is the big drum.
Guys, welcome here. See. Very nice art. I really like how the art is actually. And guys, we are out of Kabwata Culture Village, and now we are trying to walk and go.
So
but
suddenly we are out
hopefully-
of the village. Now we are in the city.
Yeah, and imagine this is a city, very beautiful road right there. And I used all this place is a really village.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Real
Once you
village.
enter,
You enter here, you are
in the village, really. And out, you are going to see the tall building. You can see
you are
over
back.
there. There is a tall
You are
building.
back
You
in
can see. When you pass this place, you are in the town now. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate, and God bless you all. Yeah, thank you brother for
Thank
taking
you so
us right
much.
here. And may God keep bless
You
you.
can also show them a picture
So
now. How it
that is
looks like.
Kabwata Culture Village. This is the things which they are showcased right here. Visitors for genuine Zambian handcrafts, tradition, dancers, bar and traditional Zambian dishes. Very amazing. So guys, we say bye bye. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate.
Bye-bye. Okay, let's proceed, my brother.